Hello everyone, welcome to Cute Creations, and today we will learn these three beautiful crafts. They are very simple, very easy. So please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. And now let's see the first one. We are going to make the tricolor flower, and for that we need very simple material. We need one circle of 12 centimeter. We need some heart shape cutout of 7 by 6 centimeter. We need one blue color circle of 6 centimeter. We need one rectangle green color sheet, and we also need the heart cutout of saffron color, white color and green color. So here are the cutouts. We need 5 cutouts of each color. And now let's start. We will place the big white circle and we will paste the blue sheet. I'm using a glitter sheet here. You can use plain sheet. And then start pasting these heart shape all around the circle. So we'll place 5 green heart shape like this, and we are going to paste it. After pasting, we are going to take 5 white hearts, and we are going to paste it at the center in the between of these 2 green hearts. So like this we are going to paste it. And after pasting white, we are going to take the orange sheet and we are going to paste it in between the white one, just like this. So the flower is ready, and now let's make the stem of this flower. So I'm going to take this rectangle paper, just take a pencil and start rolling it up. Put some Fevicol to secure it, and just roll up with the help of pencil. Keep rolling it, and at the end we are again going to secure it with the Fevicol, and it's done. Now you can take out your pencil, and it's done. Just keep it on a flat surface and press it, and the stem of the flower is ready. So this tricolor flower we are making, and we are going to paste this stem just behind the flower, and it's ready. Just press it properly so that it sticks properly, and our tricolor flower is ready. I hope you all like and enjoyed it. Now moving ahead to the second craft. It's a tricolor photo frame, and believe me, it is also very easy to make. So here we need some material. I have taken blue color sheet and marked 1-inch strips over here. Otherwise you can directly use a rectangle cutout. Blue color sheet for base. We need double-sided tape, scissor, Fevicol, one drop shape cutout, one green and orange shape cutout, few rhinestones or any decorative material. So the first step is you have to cut down the strips 1 inch each and start placing it on your blue base paper. After putting it on the blue base paper, we will start pasting the strips, not with the base, but we will paste only the strips like this. We are going to put some Fevicol and we are going to paste the strips, and we'll make it a frame. You can directly use a rectangle cutout also for making the frame, I am here telling you how to make the frame using the strips. And once it's ready, we are going to press it properly and we will put a double side tape behind it so that it gives a nice 3D effect. And after putting the double side tape at behind my frame, I'm going to stick it on the base like this. So after sticking it, we will start decorating our photo frame, and we will take these cutouts. I have cut out in a shape of a peacock feather, and we will paste the orange one and we will paste the green one over it. So the orange one is bigger than the green one, and inside the green one we are going to put a white color drop shape just at the center like this. And to give it a peacock feather effect, I am going to put few cuts all around the feather. We are going to cut only from orange to green. We will not cut the white one. So like this, we have to do the cutting. And just bend it little bit, keep spreading it, and it will look like a peacock feather. If you want to use any other shape, plain drop shape, then also you can use. And now we can place this on the frame. So it's up to you in whichever direction you want to place it. So I'm placing it here with the help of again double-sided tape. I am going to paste this on my tricolor photo frame. And now I'm going to decorate my frame with some rhinestones. So I'm using the green color, orange color and the white color rhinestone. You can use any other decorative material also. Since we are making it a tricolor photo frame, so we will use all the tricolors here. And once we place all the rhinestone, we will paste one strip of white color rhinestone in between the feather and our peacock theme, tricolor theme photo frame is ready to use. You can insert your photo and enjoy it. Now coming to the third craft, and that is a beautiful tricolor wall hanging. So let's see what material we require for it. We need blue color, green color, orange color and a white color paper, Fevicol, scissor, one googly eyes and few circle cutouts of blue color. I'm using a glitter sheet, you can use plain sheet, and some thread. So now first of all we are going to cut out the blue color, and we will cut out drop shape of green color, orange color and white color. And after cutting it, we will take the white paper and we will start drawing a small birdie, a small white color bird here, and we'll cut it out. So all the cuttings are ready, the circle, the bird, the drop shape, and we will also make one more drop shape white cutout for the birdie wings. We'll paste it here and we will also put few cuts on the feather of the bird, and we'll spread it, and we'll paste the googly eyes and one orange color and one green color circle. It's optional. If you want to put it, you can put it, otherwise you can leave it plain white. Now we are going to take these drop shapes, fold it into half, and we'll start pasting it on the thread. I am taking the white color thread here, and we will start pasting it from the center. So all three we are going to paste it on the thread, and once we paste it on the thread, we are going to put the blue circles here at the top. And I'm also going to use the pom-pom ball, since I have of orange, white and green, and I have pasted on my hanging. And now it's time to place all the things together. So take the circle, and we are going to place the birdie here. We are going to paste it, and we will write I love my India. And after writing, we are going to paste all the things. I am pasting the birdie first here, and now I will be pasting the hangings. So the first hanging will be of orange color, then white color, and then green color. And our tricolor wall hanging is ready. I hope you all like and enjoy my video. So please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much.